Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this look right here, and if you would like to see how I got this look from kind of start to finish, then please keep watching. Starting off, I am going to prime, and I'm using the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist Stuff. I like the primer, I hate the pump. Now we're going in with actual primer, and I'm using the Coastal Scents primer. I hate this product, period. I only use this one time. For foundation, this is the NYX Liquid Illuminator and Sun Goddess and the Neutrogena Longwear foundation in Chestnut. This video is going by so fast. So fast. So fast. Side note, this video was actually recorded in November of 2016. I thought I lost all my video footage from around that time when I took my little 6-month hiatus, but I actually found this when I was uploading videos from my camera cards, whatever you call those things, and I found it. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post this one. So that's what I'm doing. Even though now that I'm looking at this look, I'm thinking this is more of a Valentine's Day type look. So, you know, it's right around the corner. So I use my e.l.f. eyelid primer, and now I'm using the Rimmel Scandalized eyeshadow pencil thingy in the color brown. Now I'm going in with my Coastal Scents palette here, and I'm using the color Vibrant Red. And I'm just going to pack that all over the brown base that we applied previously. If you were to apply a white base, this color would come out true to color, but I wanted a more muted red, so I used brown instead. If you were to use black, it will be more of like a burgundy type color. But yeah, I was going for a smoky red look. And of course, we're going to do that on both sides. This is pretty much a one eyeshadow type eye look, so it's real easy to recreate if you're that bold type girl like me. I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. There's no extra product on the brush at this time, so I'm blending out the harsh lines. And I apologize if you can hear noise in the background. I am recording the voiceover in my car on my lunch break because I need to have this video up today. Alrighty. And as you can see, I wiped the brush off each time I went in to blend. And I think at that point at this point actually, I actually added more color, because with all the blending, you kind of lose a little color. So I wanted to reapply. So basically, I'm reapplying, blending, reapplying, blending, reapplying, blending. You know what I'm saying? Blending is the key. The key. I tried to find the quietest spot I could find, and there's still noise in the background, so I so apologize for that. I'm applying that same color on my lower lash line as well. Blending, blending, blending. And now the fan to my computer is like going off. I'm like, what? The odds are stacked against me. Now I'm taking a clean, fluffy crease brush, and I'm blending out the harsh lines again, applying no more color at this point. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm taking that color right there that I'm pointing to, and I'm just going to go back in and buff out a little bit more because I felt like the red got a little carried away, so I'm going to bring it back down, you know. Gotta do the same thing on the bottom line. Even it out. And now I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow from the K-pop collection. This one is Sunset Boulevard, I believe, and I'm just going to put that in the inner tear duct. Now going back into that 350 palette, I'm just taking those two colors right down and I'm going to apply those to my brow bone. I swear these cars in the background are driving me crazy. I hope I don't have to redo this voiceover. Taking the ColourPop eyeliner in Mr.Bing from the, ooh, I forgot that young lady's name, y'all. Kathleen Lights collection. And I'm just going to tightline my upper and bottom waterlines. I hate doing this, but it makes such a difference. Taking my NYC liquid liner and I'm going to create a wing. I know this product is now discontinued. I am not sure why the hell NYC did that, because this is literally the best liquid liner on the planet. I know you can get it on Amazon, but the prices are jacked up. The shipping takes forever. OMG. But this is my ride or die. I've been using this liquid liner for like decades. Like for real, no lie, decades. Decades. Taking the NYX liquid crystal liner in the color gold. And I'm just going to go right on top of that black liner. Because I felt like this look needed a little something something. It needed a little pizzazz. It was just bland on its own. It needed something to be like, you know? I did apply my mascara off camera. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe, and you know I'm going to highlight the usual parts of the face, under the eyes, the forehead, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, that stuff, and we're going to blend it all out. Not sure why this particular clip is taking forever when all the other clips were like super fast. I don't know why, but yeah. I haven't actually used this concealer in a really long time. Mind you, this particular video was recorded in 2016. Yes, and I'm uploading it now. Better late than never, right? This is a really good video. I wanted to put it up there. I don't know. But anyways, I haven't used that concealer probably since then. But it's a really good concealer. Oh, and you can also tell in the background that I'm actually in my apartment in this video. Yeah, I was in my apartment then. I'm pretty sure that background looks familiar, right? Now taking my NYC Smooth Skin Translucent Powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes and every other place I apply concealer. Another clip that's taking forever to go by. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Finishing Powder in the color Dark. I absolutely love this stuff, y'all. I love this stuff. Love it. I need to do another top 10 e.l.f. products video, because oh my god, they've come out with a lot of new stuff since the last one I did, and they have some really good, I mean, e.l.f. I swear every year they get better and better and better. This finishing powder is the business. Taking my CoverGirl Queen bronzer in the color Ebony Bronze, and I am going to use this to warm up my face, and then I'm going to switch brushes, and then I'm going to use it to chisel my face, just a little chills, little chiz. Not that my bone structure needs it, but I feel like my makeup look is not complete unless it's there. And if you're wondering about the contact lenses I'm wearing in this video, these alien contact lenses is what I call them. Oh my gosh, they made me look so weird, especially without makeup on. With these on, I look crazy. But I'll leave the info for you in the description box. Now I'm taking my Coastal Scents Forever blush in the color Radiant, and I'm going to, with a very light hand, apply that to my cheeks, because those Forever brushes from Coastal Scents are so pigmented. And I swear Coastal Scents is one of those makeup companies that I swear the whole makeup world just be sleeping on them, because not only do they have amazing brushes, but they have amazing shadows too. But anyways, to highlight my face, I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey, one of my favorite highlighters of life, okay, of life. I do not know what I was doing in the background. I think I was listening to music, because I usually do listen to music. I probably was singing. My jam must have came on or something. I'm highlighting the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, tops of my cheekbones. You know, the usual spots. Now for the lips, I'm taking the ColourPop lip liner in the color Ellery and the Milani liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick in the color Devotion. I absolutely love the color range in the Milani liquid lipsticks, but their liquid lipstick formula is horrid. Oh my god, especially on the darker colors. They're super drying and they flake. Oh my goodness, they flake. They only really last if you put a lip liner on first. You have to not only put the lip liner on, but you have to fill your whole lips in with the lip liner and then apply the liquid lipstick. Other than that, I absolutely love their color range. But the formula, oh my gosh, the formula. I don't care how much you exfoliate your lips prior, this stuff will still suck you dry. Now for the finished look. This is it, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And click that notification button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.